I drag in my original file, I drag in my pop and bang file, I drag in my stage file. Then I'm going to apply the difference between the original and the pop and bang. The difference will be a pop and bang. I'm going to apply it to my stage file. Save. And here I can also subtract the difference. If I want to remove the pop and bang from my stage file, nothing will happen because there is no difference. I won't be able to save my file. However, if I take my stage pop and bang file and remove the pop and bang, I will get a difference, and I will be able to save my new stage file without pop. If my file is already compressed, we'll see that you can drag it in directly and it will be the same as the uncompressed file.